Have you ever looked at a product around you and thought, someone in another country may actually want to buy this? Maybe it is an African fashion item, a handmade craft, a gadget, a collectible product, or something unique. That is where eBay comes in. eBay gives sellers the chance to show their products to buyers across the world. So, if you are in Nigeria and you want to sell beyond your local market, eBay can become one of the platforms to explore. In this video, we will explain how to sell on eBay from Nigeria in a simple and practical way. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. So, what is eBay and why should Nigerian sellers care? Think of eBay like a very big online market. But instead of people walking from shop to shop, buyers visit with their phones and computers. They search for products, compare prices, check seller reviews, and decide who to buy from. For Nigerian sellers, eBay is important because it gives access to international buyers. A product that looks ordinary to you may be valuable to someone in the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, Europe, or Australia. But selling on eBay is not magic. It is a business. You need the right product, the right account setup, clear listings, reliable shipping, good customer service, and proper pricing. If you get these things right, you can build a real online business. Let us get into the steps to sell on eBay. Step 1. Decide what you want to sell on eBay. Before you open an account, start with the product. Ask yourself, what do I want to sell, and can I deliver it well? This question is important because eBay is not just about uploading pictures. You must be able to source the product, describe it correctly, package it properly, ship it safely, and answer buyer questions. If you are new, start with simple products. A simple product is easy to explain, easy to pack, not too heavy and not too risky. Heavy products can make shipping expensive. Fragile products can break. Restricted products can create account problems. You can consider products like African fashion items, handmade crafts, art pieces, accessories, vintage items, collectibles, thrift fashion, gadgets, or wholesale products. But do not choose a product just because someone else is selling it. Research first. Check if buyers are already interested. Look at similar listings. Study prices. Read reviews. Then decide if you can compete. Step 2. Register your eBay seller account. After choosing what to sell, the next step is registration. You can register a personal account or a business account. A personal account is good if you are just starting and want to learn how eBay works. You visit the eBay website, choose Register, select Personal Account, enter your name, email, and password, then follow the verification steps. Because you are registering from Nigeria, eBay may ask for extra checks. This can include email confirmation, phone verification, or identity checks. Do not panic. Just make sure your details are correct and follow the instructions carefully. A business account is better if you are building a proper business. If you already have a registered business name with the Corporate Affairs Commission in Nigeria, you can use your business details. A business account can give you more structure, better selling tools, and access to features that help you grow. If you want to treat eBay as a serious business, it is wise to think about business registration early. It helps with records, payments, taxes, trust, and long-term structure. Step 3. Set up your payment method. Payment is one of the most important parts of selling on eBay from Nigeria. If you sell, you must be able to receive your money. Because PayPal has limitations for receiving money in Nigeria, many Nigerian sellers use Payoneer. Payoneer can help sellers receive international payments and withdraw funds to a Nigerian bank account or dollar account, depending on the setup. When setting up your payment account, make sure your information matches. Your name, date of birth, identity document, bank details, and business details should not contradict one another. If the information does not match, verification may be delayed. Do not wait until you get your first order before thinking about payment. Sort your payment method before your listings go live. Understand withdrawal fees, exchange rates, payout timing, and account requirements. Before we continue, let us pause briefly. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Step 4. Create a strong product listing. Now let us move to what the buyer will see. Your product listing is your online shopfront. If it is clear, clean, and trustworthy, buyers will pay attention. If it is confusing, blurry, or incomplete, buyers will scroll away. The simplest way to list a product is manually on the eBay website. Log into your seller account, go to your dashboard, and choose the option to list an item. eBay will ask for the product title, category, description, condition, price, shipping details, and return policy. Start with a clear title. Your title should say exactly what the product is. Do not try to be clever before being clear. If you are selling a handmade African print bag, your title should include words like handmade, African print, Ankara, tote bag, shoulder bag, size or color. Next, write a simple description. Tell the buyer what the item is, what it is made of, the size, color, condition, quantity, and what is included. If the product is new, say it. If it is used, say it. If there is a scratch or defect, say it clearly. Honesty protects your account. Then use good photos. Buyers cannot touch the product. They cannot hold it. They only have your pictures. Take clear photos in good light. Show the front, back, sides, close details, and size. If there is a defect, show it too. Finally, choose the right category. The category tells eBay where your product belongs. If you choose the wrong category, the right buyers may not see your item. Step 5. Price your product properly. Pricing is not guessing. You must calculate before you list. Start with your product cost. Add packaging. Add shipping. Add eBay fees. Add payment fees. Add possible currency conversion cost. Add tax considerations. Then add your profit. If you ignore these costs, you may sell many products and still lose money. A good seller does not only ask, "How much can I sell this for?" A good seller also asks, "After all costs, what will remain?" You also need to understand eBay fees. One fee is the insertion fee, which may apply when you create a listing after any free listing allowance. Another important fee is the final value fee, which eBay charges when your item sells. As a Nigerian seller, also keep records for tax and business compliance. Record your sales, expenses, shipping costs, platform fees, payment fees, and profit. When the business grows, speak with a qualified tax professional so you stay compliant. Step 6. Plan your shipping before orders come in. Shipping can make or break your eBay business. Selling the product is not enough. The product must reach the buyer safely. If you are shipping directly from Nigeria, you can use international courier services such as DHL, FedEx, UPS, or EMS through Nepost. Each option has different costs, delivery speed, and tracking quality. Do not choose a courier only because it is cheap. Choose based on the product value, buyer location, delivery time, and tracking quality. If the item is expensive, use a courier with strong tracking. If the buyer needs it quickly, use express delivery. You must also be clear about shipping cost. You can use flat rate shipping, calculated shipping, or free shipping. Flat rate means one fixed shipping price. Calculated shipping means the cost depends on weight, size, and buyer location. Free shipping means the buyer does not see a separate shipping fee, but you have already included it in the product price. Do not pretend shipping is free if you have not calculated it. Someone must pay for shipping. If you do not calculate well, your profit will disappear. Step 7. Be honest about delivery time and customs. International shipping takes time. If delivery may take 2 weeks, do not say 3 days. It is better to be honest before the buyer pays than to apologize after the buyer is angry. You also need to understand customs. When shipping internationally, describe the product correctly, state the quantity, and declare the correct value. Do not undervalue the item to reduce customs fees. It may lead to delays, confiscation, or disputes. Every country has rules about what can enter. Be careful with food items, cosmetics, electronics, health-related products, or anything that may require special approval. If you are not sure, research before listing. Step 8. Manage orders like a professional seller. When a buyer places an order, do not disappear. Send a short confirmation message. Thank the buyer and let them know when you plan to dispatch the item. Try to process orders quickly. If you can ship within 24 hours, that is good. If you cannot, set a realistic handling time in your listing. Buyers may accept a longer timeline if you are honest from the beginning. After shipping, upload the tracking number. Tracking helps the buyer see where the package is, and it protects you if there is a dispute. Also, keep your inventory updated. If your listing says you have 5 pieces, make sure you truly have 5 pieces. Selling what you do not have can damage your account and buyer trust. Step 9. Communicate clearly with buyers. Customer service is very important on eBay. Buyers may already feel unsure because they are buying from another country. Your communication can make them feel safe. Reply quickly. Use simple English. Avoid slang. Be polite. If you need time to check something, reply first and let the buyer know you are checking. If there is a delay, communicate early. Do not wait for the buyer to become angry. Share tracking information, explain what you are checking, and keep your message calm. If there is a return or complaint, do not panic. Returns are part of online selling. Have a clear return policy. If there is a genuine issue, resolve it fairly. A professional response can protect your rating and your account. Step 10. Build trust and grow slowly. When the buyer receives their item, you can politely ask for feedback. Do not force them. Just thank them and ask them to leave a review if they are happy. Good feedback helps future buyers trust you. On eBay, trust is everything. Buyers check ratings before they buy, especially when buying from an international seller. Start small. Sell honestly. Ship on time. Use tracking. Reply quickly. Avoid restricted products. Build good feedback. As your record improves, your account can become stronger, and you can grow gradually. Do not treat eBay like quick money. Treat it like a business. A business needs records, patience, learning, customer care, and consistency. This is how you start. Not by rushing. Not by guessing. But by building step by step. We have a full guide on entrepreneurs.ng, https://entrepreneurs.ng/how to sell on eBay from Nigeria/ that explains how to sell on eBay from Nigeria in more detail. Click the link in the description, read the full article and use it as your guide as you prepare to start. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneur's Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Subscribe to this channel, follow entrepreneurs.ng, and visit www.entrepreneurs.ng for more practical business guides. We are rooting for you. See you in the next video.